Stop deceiving yourself. You think YouTube is going to push your video because your video is very perfect, your editing style very strong, and then you have the best visual, but you are having issues with your title and your thumbnail. These two issues are going to destroy your videos, and it's going to cause you to have very low views in your video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 titles and thumbnail hacks that will make your video go viral. If you are ready, let's go. If you observe, you see that great title plus powerful thumbnail equals more clicks and it equals more views. A lot of YouTubers fail to understand that because better combos equals more clicks and more clicks will equal more views, because you must take note of click-through rate, the views, the subs count, and the growth. And many YouTubers ignore and neglect this. So the 5 titles and thumbnail combo hacks to go viral include: number 1, we'll focus on the key ingredients of a good title. Number 1, clear and specific. Your title should be very clear and specific. Your title should create curiosity. That's number 2. Because the formula title is promise plus curiosity equals specificity. So it should create curiosity. Number 3, your title should create promise of value. Yes, many YouTubers miss this aspect. The next one, your title must include emotion or urgency. Yes. Then it must include keywords, no clickbaits, and it should be under 60 characters long. For example, look at this title: How I Gained 1000 Subscribers in 30 Days, Step by Step Guide. Can you see this title? Then the next one, The Simple Trick That Increased My Views by 10 times. This is a good title. Then YouTube SEO, rank number 1 every time you upload your video, and then you have full guide. So for key ingredients of a good title, your title should make them want to click but not reveal all the details, because once your title reveal the details, of course they wouldn't want to click on your video to watch completely what is inside the video. The next thing you should focus on is your thumbnail text. Yes, many people cluster their thumbnail with many texts. Look at this one: How to increase your views on YouTube very fast 2026 new method best way. Can you see the text? Everything in this thumbnail is full of text. Then look at this one: Increase views fast. Just 3 words and that is it. So reduce the cluster on your thumbnail. Imagine this: use 3 to 4 words only, big, bold, and clear text. High contrast colors should be used for clarity, and then easy to read on mobile phones, especially those using small screens. And then focus on one message. Don't cluster your thumbnail with plenty messages. Avoid clutter. Then good and bad cluttered. Look at this. This one has clear message. Why this thumbnail too much text? This is the difference between the first thumbnail and the second thumbnail. Then observe this again: easy to read, increase views fast. You can see that it is easy to read, but this one very hard to read, especially on small screens. Then we have high click-through rates. This first thumbnail will generate high click-through rates, but this one will generate low click-through rate, and that is the disadvantage of that. So simplicity plus clarity plus contrast equals high clarity. Number 3 thing you must do, you should know that title does the answering, thumbnail does the questioning. If you understand this formula, you will overcome your low views. Thumbnail equals the hook. The hook becomes the question. Look at this thumbnail: Why nobody watches? You can see this is a question. Then create curiosity, and this makes them want to click. Okay? Then if you observe this thumbnail, you can pair it with the title, the answer, but not the gold. Okay? So the title will equal the answer, but not the gold. Why nobody watches your video and how to fix it. Can you see the title? The title answers the question, gives value, doesn't reveal everything. So if you compare this thumbnail, the title combination, you see that this is good to go. So you must remember that curiosity gets the click, value gets the watch, retention gets the subscribers. Take note of this. Then number 14 you should be aware of is impression matters. Yes, it all starts with the right combo. What affects impressions? Number one, subject matter, the niche demand. Sometimes we upload videos that are irrelevant to that moment or that are not evergreen content. Subject matters. Then audience interest. What are the interests of the audience at that particular moment? Then trending topics. What are the trending topics? This affects impressions. Then keyword optimization. Were you able to optimize the keywords during your video, in your metadata and the rest? Then title plus thumbnail combo. Were they perfect? These are many more are some of the things that affect impression. So good combo equals more impression. If you're able to harness good combo, I'm telling you, your impression will increase and the algorithm will fall in love with your video. For example, good combo and then bad combo. For good combo, we have YouTube shows your video to people. Then people click. If people click on it, you have high click-through rate. From there, YouTube will recommend your videos to more viewers. And after that, you have more views and subscribers. But back combo, which equals low impression, this is how it happens. Poor title and thumbnail, because that's the first thing the viewer will see. Then it will lead to low click-through rates. After that, YouTube will stop recommending your video and then you have low views and growth. And once this happens, the truth is even the best video won't get views if your title and thumbnail don't get the click. So take note of this secret. Then the last one, how to fix a video with low click-through rate. Step-by-step guide. Before we go to number one, signs of low click-through rate include your click-through rate below 5%. Then high impressions but low clicks. You check your dashboard and you are seeing very high impressions but you are having low clicks. Then video not reaching new audience. Then view stocks or you are having very low views. This shows that you are having low click-through rate. Then how do you change this? Step 1. Change the title. After 24 to 48 hours, make it more curiosity driven. Add stronger keywords. Keep it under 60 characters. Don't give away the gold. That is one of the tips you must know. Make small change first, then analyze. Alright? Then after step 1, you move to step 2, which is wait and analyze after 12 to 24 hours. Check your click-through rate, views and impressions. Did click-through rate improve? That's a question you must answer. Did impressions increase? Now you should know that let data speak before next change. Allow your data to speak before you make the change. Then step 3, change the thumbnail after analysis. After your step 1 and step 2, you try a new design. Then new 3 to 4 words text, stronger emotions and focus. Then keep it clean and bold. Test different styles that match your title. That is it. Then for step 4, wait and compare result after 12 to 24 hours. Compare click-through rate, views and impressions. See what improved. Repeat the process and then you keep intertwining title and thumbnail changes. Don't make the two changes at the same time. If you are changing title, change title and leave the thumbnail. If you are changing the thumbnail, change the thumbnail and leave the title. You do them one after the other to know what is working and what doesn't work. So repeat until click-through rate improves above 5%. Then you have impressions that increases. Then your views grows drastically. Then video begins to take off. As I leave you, you must know that test one element at a time, be patient and consistent. Then right title gets the click. Right thumbnail seals the deal. Great content keeps them coming back. So that is the secret to YouTube growth. Because success formula equals great title plus powerful thumbnail plus amazing content plus retention, and this will give you viral growth. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe to this channel for more,